Today I'll walk you through how to back up OneNote on Windows 10, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your notes so you can have peace of mind knowing your important information is safe. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote app. This is where all your notes are stored, and it's essential to ensure they're backed up regularly. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File option. This is similar to opening a drawer to access important documents. Once you click on File, you will see a menu appear. Now look for the option at the bottom left of this menu. Click on it to proceed. This option will lead you to the settings where you can manage your backups. After that, go to Save and Backup. This section allows you to customize how your backups are managed. Here, you can set intervals for how often you want OneNote to create backups, the number of backup copies to keep, and even what specific content you want to back up. Think of it as setting a reminder to water your plants. Consistent care leads to better results. Once you've made all the modifications to your backup settings, click OK to save your changes. This final step ensures that your preferences are applied and your notes will be backed up according to your specifications. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to back up OneNote on Windows 10. Remember, keeping your notes secure is just as important as taking them in the first place. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.